Good afternoon. My name is Jeff Anger, and I am the Director of Business Development for Transition Software. This is Brian Howe. He is the
Hello.
Lead Sales Engineer for Transition Software. And we're here at the show today to look for new partners that perform IT services that need help doing client migrations. So the basis of our software is making it easier, faster, and smarter for companies who want to migrate operating systems. Let's say you're going from Windows XP to the new Windows 10, or if you're deploying new hardware. You want your PCs and your users' desktops to feel like they did in the old PC. Although with a new hardware, for example, you'll be faster, better, prettier, and whatever your goal was for the new hardware. But what we really do best, and we own the patents on being able to migrate user settings. So all the user settings in Windows, the 10,000 settings that include your screen colors, your screen pictures, all your application settings in Windows or Microsoft Office, all the applications in Office, Adobe, all your browsers like Chrome and toolbars, your settings in your mail. All those things, we are grabbing them, we extract them from one system and inject them into another, whether it's virtual or physical. We can do virtual desktop, virtual machines, terminal services, and what else am I missing, Brian? Anything?
That pretty much sums it up.
So what we can do very quickly is show you a demo of our user interface that can be used as a tool to perform migrations, or the software itself can be resold to the end user companies. So I'll turn it over to Brian and let him show you how the software works.
All right, so what we're looking at here is the Migrate 7 GUI interface. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to select Extract a Personality, and I'm going to select a user account on this local machine here. And I'm going to, on the Select for Extraction tab, I'm going to pick the individual settings or application settings that I want to take with me, or the ones that I want to exclude. I can create file rules to select specific files, either by date or file type, if I want to include them or exclude them. Same with registry rules. I can drill down here into some of the display settings, and I want to take my appearance and themes with me, my backgrounds. We also have the ability to take applications such as Microsoft Office and migrate them forward from one version to another. So as Jeff was indicating, if you're on an old version of Microsoft Office and you're going to a new version of Microsoft Office, we can take all of these individual settings for all of these individual applications and migrate them over to your new desktop. So not only do we take all of the files and the data that the user needs, but we also take the environment that they're familiar with working with. And we simply come over here and hit the extraction button. And the extraction begins to run. And a few minutes later, we have an extracted user persona that is compressed and secured. You can store it on a data store of your choice, either an external drive or a network server drive. And the process for getting the user's persona injected into the new PC is exactly the same. I'll go ahead and cancel this for demonstration purposes here. Well, once this process is done, you would go to the new computer, and you would just go to Inject Personality, select the user that you want to inject, and select the items for injection that you would like to use. Local. I don't have a personality there. But the process is exactly the same for the injection, essentially. And that's how we migrate persona from one machine to another.
So thanks for your time. We are actively looking for new partners that are performing IT services all over the world, and you can visit us at transition.com. And remember, transition is spelled with an X, Tranxition.com. Thank you.